on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Taking a look at the markets today, look at Ripple. Wow, over $3 for Ripple today, absolutely insane. Ripple to the moon. Congrats to you that are holding Ripple. Congrats to those of you who listened to me and bought it at around 18 to 20 cents when I told you about it. Look at that, the number 2 spot with $122 billion market cap right now. Could Ripple surpass Bitcoin in the months to come? It looks to be that way. Obviously, Bitcoin's price is up as well, floating back around the $15,000 mark. Very good to see Bitcoin staying on top, staying steady, but Ripple has surpassed Bitcoin Cash, surpassed Ethereum. But if you look, Ethereum is also up 6%, but had a great big spike the other day, pumping it over $900. I believe we will see Ethereum be the 4th cryptocurrency to hit that $1,000 mark. Of course, we've seen Bitcoin do it, we've seen Bitcoin Cash do it, we've seen Dash do it. Now it is Ethereum's turn to shine. Very cool. Stellar Illumin's up quite a bit actually. Cardano's up. Cardano just peaked over $1. I bought it when it was around 60 cents a coin. So really excited to see Cardano popping up there in that number 5 spot. Really cool. Cardano, if you don't have it yet, go get some. Binance is absolutely great for that. Something I want to talk about today is TRON. Now TRON, taking a look at it, up 15%. If you look at this very bullish market right here, market cap of $5 billion. TRON is currently sitting in the number 13 spot on CoinMarketCap, around 8 cents a coin right now. Amazing price for you to go to pick up some TRON. I actually went and picked up some TRON last night here. If you see, my balance here on Binance is around 1,689 TRON coins. So since then it has gone up a little bit. It went up about 2 cents since I bought it. So that's awesome to see my money going up. I already made about $30–40 in value of increase just on holding TRON long term. Here's some of the Cardano I'm holding right here. I like Binance for holding these smaller coins like TRON, like Cardano. I keep them on here and not in a wallet, just so that I can actively trade them during the day if they spike or dip, or if I see other things dipping down. So Binance is absolutely great. I'll put a link down below for you guys to sign up to Binance. There's no verification process to get started. You can verify to withdraw larger amounts, but for the most part, you can jump right in after you sign up, send Bitcoin over to it, and buy it. They've got a really great exchange, really fast, simple. I was able to transfer Bitcoin over and buy this TRON in a matter of minutes, so that was really awesome. So check that out. So what is TRON, guys? TRON is a decentralized, trustworthy application. It's more than just a coin. TRONIX is technically the coin name for TRON's cryptocurrency, but TRON is this really cool application software which is blockchain based decentralized protocol. It aims to construct a worldwide free content entertainment system with the blockchain and distributed storage technology. So it's really cool. People are going to be able to send and receive different content through TRON's applications. They've got a really cool plan, but if you come down here to TRONIX, TRX for short, it is TRON's official currency. TRONIX is a basic unit of accounts in TRON's blockchain. So very cool. I'm excited to see the future of TRON and TRONIX. So that's why I just wanted to share with you guys on my latest buy of buying and holding TRON long term. Hopefully it'll get around $3, $4, $5. It'd be awesome if it gets all the way up to $10. That'd be a very nice profit. If I actually come over and pull up a calculator here, it went up about 2 cents. So I've got 1,689 coins, and I'll times that by 2 cents. This is what I've made. So about $33, almost $34 just overnight with the price increase. So if TRON has a value obviously of $1, my coins will be worth about $1,689, which is awesome. But let's say TRON has an increase and it pumps up to $10 a coin this next year. This is what I'm talking about, guys. You can get in for just a little bit. I think I put like $120 into TRON, just a little something extra. But if it goes up to $10 this next year, guys, and I think it's very possible that TRON could reach $10 in 2018, you're looking at turning that $120 into $16,890, almost $17,000 just by holding something for a few months. So definitely give TRON a look, guys. Can be super profitable. Now I want to pop on over to Hashflare. A lot of you have been asking how my Hashflare account's been growing. So I've been daily reinvesting on Hashflare. Our last deposit was actually a little bit more here just because the price of Bitcoin has gone up, which is super exciting to see. When Bitcoin's price was a little bit lower, I wasn't earning as much. It was about $2.20 a day. So it's nice to see now that Bitcoin's prices increase that my payouts are going to increase back up to getting about over $100 a month. In my first month, my goal was to buy about 420 gigahash, which would have been $92. I've actually been able to buy 630 so far, just from daily reinvesting. So for those of you who followed, I had a reinvestment chart. I'm actually going to be making and uploading a new one for you guys since the price changed. A lot of you have been wondering, is Hashflare still profitable? Can you still make money by investing in the SHA contracts on Hashflare? Yes, you can. You don't get your money back quite as fast as before since they increased the price, but right now I'm still making profit. I invested about $150 into the program when I started. I haven't had much in the way of referrals at all, so it's just been pretty much reinvesting daily. And if you look, I'm turning that $150 in 1 year into $1,310 right now. Now, if I continue to reinvest every single day, that obviously drags out my contract a little bit longer. I'll be continuing to earn more and more over time as this snowballs up every single month. So we're gonna watch my terahash per second grow over the next couple months and definitely see some awesome returns coming in the months to follow. So be on the lookout for my Hashflare updates, guys. If you're interested in Hashflare, go ahead. There's a link down below. You can sign up. I highly recommend starting out with 1 terahash to get you going. That's about $220 right now, but you can start with as little as $2.20 by buying 10 gigahash a second. Obviously, it's gonna snowball a lot slower, but it will still snowball up there. I started with 1 terahash around December 5th, and now look at it, it's 1.63 terahash per second, and I actually have enough in my Bitcoin wallet here for a little bit of an upgrade. So we're actually going to do a 20 gigahash a second upgrade. Let's proceed to the checkout. All right, here we are with our 0.02 terahash or 20 gigahash. Total cost is $4.40. Let's go ahead and pay from our balance here like we do every single day. Confirm the payment, and there we see success. If we scroll down, 1.65 terahash in there, earning me about $3.58 a day, probably a little more now after that upgrade. So take a look at Hashflare, guys. An incredible program for mining. Now, mining is still profitable. Don't worry, just because Bitcoin had a little dip there does not mean that mining is not profitable. There are more SHA contracts for you available. So sign up today with Hashflare, guys. You will not regret it. It's a great daily passive income, and I'm excited because passive income is the key to financial freedom in 2018. So with that, guys, let's head over to our giveaway winner and let's see who our giveaway winner for the day is. We've got our video all queued up here. Let's start our raffle. Thanks for all the support on the channel, guys. If you didn't know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video you're watching now, and be sure to comment your Litecoin address down below. All right, today's winner is Angela. What do you think about Cardano? I love Cardano. I just showed you guys earlier. I'm holding about 50 or so Cardano. I wish I was holding more. I might have to get some here in the next few weeks as I see the price now up over $1 per coin. I was fortunate enough to buy it at 60 cents a coin. Some of you bought it even cheaper than that. So it's a great coin. One of my top picks for 2018. So let's go ahead and comment your Litecoin address here, Angela. Head on over to our Coinbase and send you your Litecoin. Looks like your address checks out. We're sending you $10 worth of Litecoin. Congrats on winning. Look at that, guys. A beautiful network fee of 25 cents. That's why I love Litecoin. Here you go, Angela. Bless you, and thanks for entering to win the giveaway. Let's go ahead and put in our verification code here. All right, here comes your Litecoin, Angela. There you go. The transaction's on its way. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you learned something new and are excited to check out TRON, making some money with TRON in 2018, give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment your Litecoin address down below to enter you to win Litecoin in tomorrow's giveaway. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.